स्वास्थ्य मंत्री प्रेस्टन तिनसोंग ने मेघालय के नागरिकों से राज्य में बढ़ते कोविड-19 मामलों के मद्देनजर स्वास्थ्य विभाग द्वारा जारी एसओपी का पालन करने का आग्रह किया है। स्वास्थ्य मंत्री ने शवों के निस्तारण के संबंध में 4 मई 2021 को जारी किए गए प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करने के लिए ग्राम परिषदों, दरबार शोंगों और अन्य लोगों से भी अनुरोध किया। उन्होंने कहा कि राज्य के कुछ इलाके शवों को इलाके में लाने की अनुमति नहीं दे रहे हैं, जो स्पष्ट रूप से पहले जारी किए गए आदेश के खिलाफ है। जारी आदेश के अनुसार यह स्पष्ट रूप से कहता है कि शवों को संबंधित घर में वापस लाया जा सकता है, लेकिन अंदर नहीं, और अंतिम संस्कार कर सकते हैं, स्वास्थ्य मंत्री ने याद दिलाया। चूंकि कोविड-19 के मामले लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं, मेघालय सरकार महामारी से निपटने में मदद करने के लिए समुदायों की ओर देख रही है। स्वास्थ्य मंत्री प्रेस्टन तिनसोंग ने आज एक बैठक के बाद मीडिया को बताया कि राज्य के सभी उपायुक्तों को पारंपरिक प्रमुखों, दरबार शोंगों, समुदाय के नेताओं के साथ विचार विमर्श करने के लिए कहा गया है, ताकि संचरण की दर को कम करने के लिए जमीनी स्तर पर संयुक्त रूप से काम किया जा सके, जो उच्च बनी हुई है अन्य राज्यों की तुलना में।
So friends, now I think we are here together, my principal secretary, Mr. Sampat Kumar, and then our DHS. These were the people, in fact, officers who did not sleep well. Since last year till today, they did not sleep well. And number two, the moment I took over health department, I've been discussing, I've been spending my time in, sharing, discussing with different levels of the officers. So therefore, I would like to inform to all of you, we keep taking decision almost every day, how to catch and how to curb the rate, the percentage that we have seen, it keep increasing day by day. So we would like to, to take maybe a drastic decision also. We have to accept that. And number two, I would like to inform you, as I've already said. One is the reminder. I would like to remind to all the citizens of the state. Number one, let us go back to the notification issued by Health and Welfare Department on the 4th of May 2021, relating to the system of disposal of dead bodies out of COVID-19. It's already in place, but when the time goes on, there were a number of cases, quite a number of cases, where the concerned locality, sometimes they did not allow the dead body to be brought to the respective houses. In fact, the notification is very clear. We already laid down the protocols, and the protocols is very clear. They can take the dead body from the hospitals or wherever the place where the death takes place to the respective houses. But of course, they cannot take the coffin inside the house. They can keep it outside the house, maybe in the veranda or maybe in the compound, and the next day they can conduct the system, whatever the religious rituality needs to be done. We leave it to their wisdom. But as I said to you, now some village authorities, I think out of fear, or I don't know, they did not allow families to bring in the dead body to their compound or to their, maybe to their houses. So therefore, I would like to remind and to request all the concerned relatives, now on, kindly follow the notification issued by Health Department dated 4th May 2021. I think this is very, very important to all of us. In Khasi,